Does your whole back hurt? Is it all in pain? I'm talking about from the neck all the way to the lower back, down into your booty. Well, you're going to do the ninja twist to decrease that spine pain throughout the whole spine. Here's how. Introducing the finger. You can reduce all of your spine pain with just your index finger. Let me show you. So your whole spine is mirrored or imaged from this one finger, okay? From your index finger. It can be any fingers, but we're going to use your index finger. So you see this joint right here, this first joint right here, this corresponds, this point, this area corresponds to your neck. So if you have neck issues, all you have to do is do the ninja twist, the ninja twist. And you're going to twist like this, okay? You're going to twist that joint. See, I'm just twisting. Here's a joint. I'm just twisting around that joint. So you're going to twist around that joint and then move your neck at the same time, okay? It's going to hurt. It's going to hurt your finger. You want it to hurt here, okay? Not here. You want it to hurt here. You want to twist that joint and then move your neck until it starts to feel better. It should instantly start feeling better, okay? Now, if you have, let's say, the mid-back is going to be this joint right here, this joint right here. So you can do the ninja twist here. Use these two fingers. See, I'm going to ninja twist it right there in that joint. And then move your back, your mid-back, bend over, do all the things you want to do. Keep on twisting that, right? And then the last one, the lower back, right? This one's going to be a little harder, but still, you're going to do that ninja twist. And you're going to twist in this joint right here, right there, right there. You're gonna twist it. And it's gonna feel sore. Okay. You can even you're clamping on it. You're gonna clamp on it, and it's gonna feel sore. And then you're gonna move your lower back, dance around, move your lower back, and see how it feels. All right. Do this every single day. You can switch fingers. Each finger has all these same joints. You can switch finger if one finger gets too sore. All right. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel where we're going to show more of these awesome ninja techniques to help you improve your health. Is your back killing you from back here, from the butt to the neck? Then you want to do the hitchhiker thumb to instantly reduce all this pain, your whole spine pain. Why you want to do the hitchhiker thumb? This thumb, actually this whole part right here corresponds to your whole spine. Neck is right here, and all the way mid-back is right here, and then lower back is that big meaty part. So if you're hurting on the spine, like you feel like, man, it's in the bones, then you want to press on the bones, okay? Press hard on the bones and then jiggle around. Now if you're hurting in the muscle, you want to, look at this big muscle, look at that big piece of meat. You want to push on that muscle, and then that will relax your muscle in your lower back, and you kind of jiggle it. And if it's the neck, you just do it up here. Same thing, bone on bone. If your neck spine hurts, then if it's here, then you want to jiggle, you want to massage on the muscle, right? To give this a try, make sure you follow me here on TikTok.